After unveiling surreal as the 2016 word of the year, Merriam-Webster appears to be trolling the White House once again, this time over the definition of the word fact. In an appearance on Meet the Press, counselor to the president Kellyanne Conway defended Press Secretary Sean Spicer's incorrect statistics about the crowd at President Trump's inauguration.
Sean Spicer, our press secretary, gave alternative facts to that.
If that sounds like a bunch of politispeak to you, that's apparently what the dictionary publishing company thought too. They noticed people looking up the meaning of the word fact, causing them to tweet out the definition. A fact is a piece of information presented as having objective reality. Objective, as in nonpartisan. Interestingly, according to Merriam-Webster, an archaic definition for the word fact can mean a wrong or unlawful deed, which can be used in the phrase after the fact. For example, Conway called debate over crowd size at Trump's inauguration petty, only after the fact of defending alternative facts. I'm Rousseau Smith for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.